Danny High Soccer with Colin, helping people do their business better. Today we have the Yealink UH38. We promised a mic test, and that's what we're doing. If you want more information on this, an overview of that, we do have an unboxing and overview video, and we'll go ahead and put that in the description box below. And of course, if you want to buy these headsets, we'll put links somewhere, and of course, always in the description box below. So starting first with the sort of background office noise. So let's start that. And check this out, I got a cool new toy. You see that? So now it's focused on the decibel reader so that you can see how loud it's getting. So this is the Yealink UH38 dual teams USB version with loud background noise, office noise. There's a ringing phone. This is the UH38. I'm going to do some typing. So I'm talking, I'm typing, and I'm helping a customer out maybe. All right. And so now what I'm going to do is the old TV test here. So this is the UH38 with an extremely loud television. I mean, it's getting super loud. All right, so this is as loud.
Growth potential.
Raise the volume.
Spectrum is hiring. Whether you're looking to help.
So this is what it. Oh wow. Look how loud that is.
This is a required monthly test of the emergency.
Wow, that was something else. All right, so now let's do the old blender test. So let's crank this guy up. All right, so you can see that it's super loud. And one of the things that I've noticed is if I stop talking, it like completely blocks out the background noise. All right, so this is what it would sound like when extremely loud blender in the background using the UH38 headset by Yealink. All right, that's super loud. And then, of course, we're going to do my favorite. Let's see what this does up against barking dogs. And, of course, this is a little tiny microphone, so I don't know how well it's going to do. But, that's why we do these tests. All right, so you see that the decibel levels get above 100 decibels. So this is what it would sound like if you had loud barking dogs in the background while using the UH38 corded USB headset. All right, so there you go. So there is a quick mic test of the Yealink UH38. It's a brand new headset. It's out. It's only an MSRP of $129. All our contact information is going to be in the description box below. Again, if you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. We'll make viewer requested videos. We'll do our best to accommodate making those videos. But again, comment below. Let us know. Stay tuned for upcoming videos.